So we're going to take a look at this GardePro, and this is brand new. We've got the solar charger. It's been out in the sun for a while, and now when you flip the panel up here and push this button, you get 4 green lights. That tells us that the battery is charged on here. It's still in the sun here, and we've got it connected to the adapter, which will bring it into the bottom of the camera. So now the battery is charged, solar panels connected to the camera. Open the side here. We've got a 16 gigabyte card clipped in. Now we'll turn it on. Alright, we're getting the screen here. We'll go to menu and we'll toggle up to format the SD card. We'll click OK. Format yes. It's asking us to wait. Format successful. Alright, now we can go in, we can add a password. We can toggle on the info strip. We can give the camera a name, which is useful. We can toggle the time format and the date. Give it a time zone. And then the settings for the camera itself. When we're done, we can just hit menu to exit. When we're ready, we hit start. It'll go ahead and record. It uses these dark LEDs, which don't emit any light. It has the infrared trigger. It has its varied sensitivity, and then it records on the camera here. So we'll remove these films. And now we're ready to go. We can record. We can have it record when something triggers it, and we can tell it how often we want it to record. We can go up to about 45 feet away and get everything from the camera through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Bluetooth will wake it up, and Wi-Fi will bring us the previews and the images. It's connected to the solar, which will keep it powered pretty much indefinitely. So now we can attach the camera to a tree someplace, to a post or a stump, and we have an attachment on the back to angle the solar panel so that it's always going to catch some sun.